We're at a new project here in South Boston. It's our townhome project. The building's been framed and weather tight with windows, doors, and a roof. Each unit will have its own private balcony in the front of the building, as well as roof access for mechanicals and future roof deck expansion. We are back at our Southie Townhouse project. Let's take a look at what's been done. Starting with the roof, we have our skylights in. Both sides have access to the roof and have roof rates. Plumbing and electrical have finished up, as well as rough HVAC. Also inside, we have 2 gas fireplaces. Outside, the brick exterior has almost finished. And lastly, as part of our rough sign-off, we have the sprinkler system and fire alarm wired up and pipes run. Thanks for checking us out. Follow us on Instagram, HRV Homes. Check out our Real Estate Addicts podcast, and we'll catch you on the next one.